that we're talking about, where the radiation belt storm probe spacecraft will go, is one that's occupied by communication spacecraft, by weather spacecraft, by all sorts of spacecraft that you use on a daily basis. There are two Van Allen radiation belts. The one closer to Earth, about 1,000 miles up above the Earth's equator, contains highly charged protons that are trapped there for years and years. The further out radiation belt, the outer radiation belt, at about 1/12 of the distance to the Moon, contains a mixture of energetic electrons and energetic ions. Both of them are hazardous, but hazardous in different ways and at different times. They're always changing, waxing and waning, increasing and decreasing in strength. We don't understand why. The goals of the Radiation Belt Storm Probe's mission are to determine where the charged particles in the Earth's radiation belts come from, how they get energized, and how they're lost into space. The first use for the data from the mission will be by scientists who attempt to understand the physical processes that are occurring in the radiation belts. They'll use those data to develop models for space weather in the Earth's environment, the hazardous features that surround us. However, the data can also be used by engineers to better design spacecraft. For example, if you know how much radiation is out there, you know how thick to shield your spacecraft with walls of metal. The Earth's radiation belts pose a hazard to astronauts. A hazard because radiation, prolonged exposure to radiation, can cause cancer. What we want to do is understand just how much radiation is out there and just where it is, and